What we do here is go back.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of How to Design with Adobe XD. My name's Michael Wong, and in this episode I'm going to show you why you're going to love the repeat grid. So let's take a look at this design. I've gone ahead and designed a course screen for this app. And as you can see, there's a snippet of how we're currently progressing, and of course a list of chapters that we will need to complete. So what we're used to having to duplicate these list items and repeating them like this, aligning it. And if these smartphones get any bigger, we're going to spend all day tinkering around with this. So there has to be a better way, and there obviously is. So let's make sure we've selected our item that we want to repeat. Let's head over to the right hand menu and hit repeat grid. You can see that the icon has changed. There are now two handles. Simply click and drag to reveal awesomeness. As you can see, this has repeated our item with minimal effort. If you want to reduce the padding and spacing in between each item, simply click and drag to bring them closer together, looking good. And let's just snap this down to the bottom. So a list has been created, and we now want to throw in some custom data into these labels. So one way is we can actually jump right in and rename them manually. Guitar challenge. Or what we can do is, if we have an extensive list, we can create a plain text file in TextEdit or Word, and we can separate all the labels on a new line, save it, and simply drag and drop the file onto the label. And as you can see, it will automatically populate all the text labels. Now I've also created one for the duration, so just simply drag and drop, and you can see that all the durations have been updated, and also the chapter numbers. Looking very, very nice. Cool. So now that's done, what I want to do is I want to add a play button so users can actually play this this chapter from this screen. So what we can do is you can double click into the repeat grid and make sure that it's within the folder. You can hit Command V or Control V if you're on Windows device, and there we go. Let's move it to the side, and we're done. As you can see, this entire list was automated. It was simply just clicking and dragging a couple of items around, and we have achieved a scalable and reusable item across our design. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about the repeat grid, don't forget to ask in the comments below. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, also share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in another video very soon.